So we're outside London, Ontario. I realize this is the first time I'm really talking in this vlog because the beginning of it was really just like, hey, we're on the road type thing. This is day 1 of our actual road trip. So we are doing a shorter day today, which will be probably just like, I don't know, 5 hours of driving maximum. And the dogs are with us. We just stopped, ate some lunch at Wendy's. I realize I feel like I look 10 years older than I did last week. So the doggos are newly minted with these nice little tags that we got today. I had them made this morning with our info on them. And I got her such a little cute little collar, right, Maddie? Yes. And then Bella, now we know that they are like cool if anything, God forbid, were to happen. Look how cute you are.
Michigan. Town Park. Not taking the dogs out? Oh, I want to call. Wings, bunch of chicken wings.
We stood out there for too long.
This serving size. Let's take a look at this. And I already ate half of that. That's a side order of cottage cheese. Is it bigger than a bread box?
Bigger than a bread box?
Yeah.
What is a bread box?
Like a toaster, like the size of a toaster.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Is it as big as a car?
Wait, we're not keeping track of the number of questions. You're going really fast.
3. It's 3.
Okay, that's 3.
Yes, it's as big as a car.
Bigger?
Nope.
Is it a car?
Yes.
Okay, Andrea, you think of something.
Okay. All right, I've thought of something.
Is it alive?
No.
Is it a piece of paper?
No.
Do you find it in a house?
Yes.
Would you put your feet on it?
No.
Do you cook with it?
No.
Do you hang it on your wall?
No.
Ooh, this is tricky. Does it store things?
Yes.
Is it as tall as a person?
No. That's 8.
Does it clean things?
No.
Is it a sink?
Nope.
Is it bigger than a microwave?
No.
It's not.
No. That was a
Oh.
question.
What?
That was a question. It's not. No, that wasn't really a question.
Is it a microwave?
No.
You can't use it to cook with.
No.
I think I already asked that.
You have 6 questions left.
Do you use it every day?
I do.
You do?
Yeah.
Oh.
Not everyone does.
This is very specific to you.
No, it's not, but that's a little hint.
Is it dental floss?
No.
Is it a toothbrush?
No.
Is it a hairdryer?
No.
Is it a brush?
No. You have one question left. So it better be your guess.
Is it larger than...
You have to guess what it is because you only have one question left.
Is it your phone?
No, but that's the closest you guys got. It's my camera. So we're in Kalamazoo, Michigan. This is the room. It's pretty terrible. This is Red Roof. It's like a horror show. So first we got here, we have 2 rooms because of the kids and the dogs. And the first room we went into smelled like smoke. And
Really bad.
but whatever, it's like one of those like door opens right to the outside type places, so you know, it's a little questionable. But whatever, that was fine. Then we went to our room, which had the king size bed, and it was unmade. Like the sheets underneath the top were all crumpled underneath, and it was like somebody was just in there smoking pot.
Just ran out before we got in there.
So we were like, nope. We noped right out of there and went back down. So they gave us 2 brand new rooms. Oh, and the fire alarm was going off in the first room. That was the other problem. The smoke alarm was chirping every minute, and we even tried taking the battery out and that didn't work. So we had to change both rooms. So it's now almost midnight, day 1, and we're finally going to bed. But now we have double beds instead of king size beds. So yeah, and we paid for a king size bed, but whatever. We'll figure that out later. So Red Roof, yeah, thumbs down. So that was the night we didn't get murdered. We survived Kalamazoo. So now we're on our way getting coffee first. This is my dream, to go to a Dunkin' Donuts. It's been since I was married that I've been to a Dunkin' Donuts, and that was in New York.